Stop scrolling for just 20 seconds. Because this might be the Tesla that finally makes both gas cars and boring EVs feel old overnight. Imagine a Tesla that is faster than most sports cars, cheaper to run than a Corolla, and smart enough to handle LA traffic, New York winters, and Jakarta-style chaos all at the same time. This is the 2026 Tesla Model P, and if the rumors and early details are even half true, this could be the most high RPM Tesla launch yet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this car is worth your money or just hype with wheels. Let's start with price, because that's where most buyers decide yes or no. In the USA, the 2026 Tesla Model P is expected to start around $52,000, with higher performance trims going close to $65,000 before incentives. In Japan, pricing could land around 7.5 to 8.8 million yen depending on taxes and trim. For ASEAN markets like Indonesia, Thailand, and Malaysia, expect prices between 1.2 to 1.5 billion IDR equivalent, mainly due to import duties. Still, for an electric performance-focused Tesla, this pricing undercuts many German rivals and even some high-end hybrids. Now let's talk about the biggest reason people move to Tesla: fuel savings, or more accurately, electricity savings. The Tesla Model P is expected to deliver the equivalent of around 120 to 130 miles per gallon equivalent in city driving and about 115 miles per gallon equivalent on the highway. In simple terms, if you drive 1,000 miles a month in the USA, you're likely spending $70 to $90 on charging at home, compared to $180 to $250 on gasoline in a similar-sized petrol car. For Asian buyers where fuel prices are higher, the savings are even bigger. Over 5 years, that alone can save you enough money to pay for a family vacation or two. Maintenance is another quiet win here. There's no engine oil, no transmission fluid, no spark plugs, and far fewer moving parts. Yearly maintenance cost for the Model P is expected to stay under $400 in the USA, mostly for tires, brake fluid, and cabin filters. Compare that to traditional performance cars that easily cross $1,200 per year. In Asian markets, Tesla service centers are expanding, and basic parts like brake pads and suspension components are becoming easier to source, especially in Japan and major ASEAN cities. Performance sounds scary on paper, but let's explain it in simple language. In city driving, the Tesla Model P feels instant. You touch the accelerator and the car moves. No delay, no gear changes, no noise. This makes merging, U-turns, and quick gaps in traffic very easy, especially in crowded Asian cities. On the highway, the power delivery is smooth and confident. Overtaking trucks or slow cars feels effortless, even at high speeds. Expected 0 to 60 time is under 4 seconds, which is faster than most sports sedans, yet it still feels calm and controlled when cruising. Ownership cost is where this car quietly destroys many competitors. Insurance in the USA may be slightly higher than a regular sedan, averaging around $1,800 to $2,200 per year, mainly due to advanced tech and battery value. However, low fuel and maintenance costs balance this out. In Asian markets, insurance varies, but EV insurance packages are improving every year. Parts availability is no longer the nightmare it once was. Tesla's global supply chain means common parts are stocked faster, and software updates fix many issues without visiting a service center at all. Resale value is another strong point. Teslas historically hold value better than many EV competitors, especially performance models. After 3 to 4 years, the Model P is expected to retain around 65 to 70% of its original value in the USA, which is very strong. In Asian markets where Tesla demand is rising faster than supply, resale value can be even higher, especially for well-maintained units with good battery health. Now let's do a quick comparison. Compared to other Tesla models, the Model P sits as a more performance-focused option without jumping into extreme pricing like Plaid models. It offers more excitement than a Model 3 or Model Y while staying practical. Compared to something like the Toyota Hilux, yes, they are very different vehicles, but many buyers cross-shop them in Asia for daily use. The Hilux is tough and reliable, but fuel costs are high, city driving is stressful, and performance is basic. The Tesla Model P is silent, fast, cheaper to run, and much easier in traffic. For urban buyers, the Tesla makes more sense unless you truly need off-road capability. So why is this car smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, instant torque helps in tight traffic gaps. Second, regenerative braking reduces brake wear and stop-and-go driving. Third, the compact yet wide stance gives stability on uneven roads. And finally, quiet operation means less stress during long commutes. Add features like autopilot assistance, smart navigation, and cabin cooling before you even enter the car, and daily driving becomes less tiring. The 2026 Tesla Model P feels like a car built for the future but priced for today. It saves money on fuel, costs less to maintain, performs like a sports car, and still works perfectly for daily life in both the USA and Asia. This is the kind of EV that converts skeptics into believers. If you enjoyed this deep, honest breakdown and want more high RPM car reviews like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the next video might help you choose your next car before prices go crazy.